talking about the coming events on the 17th of December 2016. As you know, it's the first session for sharing of ideas for a better future. It's a program which will give young people a chance to share their experience and also to build confidence from that. Majority of us have a huge, vast experience in different areas and different sectors. And one of the things we never had a chance to talk to each other or to sit down and share those experiences. And every time one of us makes the same mistake which someone has already encountered. So I'm one of the people who has made some of the mistakes, and I think some of you has made the same mistake as well. So today I'm calling for all youth, all African youth, from the age of 10 onward, to attend a forum, which is a youth forum designed to give young people a chance so that young people can share their own experience and we can also learn from each other as well. I have my own, you have your own. I don't know what you know and you don't know what I know. But if you come to this forum, you will leave the room full of knowledge, experience, and also you will learn from those things, which means it will help you not to make the same mistake again. So we have a lot of mistakes. For example, a lot of us today are studying wrong courses. Our courses doesn't get us a job here in Australia. How can we correct those mistakes? I've done those things, and I don't want the younger generation to do the same mistake again. Also, we are unemployed, as the statistic can show. And how can we talk about that? I can share my own experience, and also you can do the same things. So we can talk about a lot of other issues. As we always know, every time you see our brothers in Africa, we see them with the fly in their mouth, sick with war and everything. And we never ask why is our continent portrayed in such a negative image. The same image, that's the image we've been portrayed here in Australia. We're always seen as a gang, violence and all of it, every negative things. But we need to talk about our positivity. We need to talk about those issues. What do we know about ourselves? Is that true? What we're seeing on the television or what is being shown, is that true? And what are the mistakes that we can correct as well so that we can make our living better in Australia? So not to talk too much, this is what I'm calling for. So there's a series of sessions which has been scheduled, and those sessions will start on the 17th of December at Braybrook Community Hub. Its address is 107 to 139 Churchill Avenue, Braybrook. This time will be 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. The reason is we have a lot of other commitment which we're doing, and I don't want someone to take the whole day to come to the session and they will miss some of the other thing they want to do during the day. So just only for 2 hours, make sure we respect time. It's one of the things that we need to change. There's something called African time. We need to improve on that. We need to change that. So bring your niece, your cousin, your nephew, your children, come along with them, and we have very good interactions. The name or the theme or the motto of our program is called Improving Our Community for a Better Generations. So that's what we need to do as a young people. We need to stand up. We need to do something. We're not blaming anyone, but we need to correct the past mistake we have made, and we need to move into the better future for us. For all there's no community. It's all of us. So if you think that you are part of the community, come along and let's do this together. My name is Awan Kualawan. Thank you very much for your participation if you come along. Thank you very much. If you have anything to share, bring it along, and that's why we're having this forum. Thank you very much.